Uzotela laphi le?
Ungabuziwe ezokukhela.
Ndingabuzi noba access.
Because you guys do no picture. Nah, man, no, this is special, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? But ungabuzika noma kusunywa
Khala
kuzoqala.
volume.
Yeah?
Khala. And ke wes iphethe yakhe.
Ish. Oh.
And it only makes sense as apha namhlanje iphethe yakhe azoyityela apha. W Yolanda in the chat, W Yolanda in the chat, W Yolanda in the chat.
Ngaphandle kodlala mfethu. Yona lemdala qala like number 1 kuwe. So awukwazi eza question anizibuza kuwe uzibuze kum ngimdala.
Chat W Yolanda in the chat. Sawubona bandimbuza ntoni?
Story was an accident. Malala 6 months.
No.
Central 2 just subscribed.
Sithandeka for imdala mfethu.
Okay, mahlale phansi composure.
Okay, benzatsho ke jonga ne.
Okay.
Awuzukwazi ubuza ezinye way.
Waphansi uchitha umtshado wami nje.
Kaloku limdala yona.
Akho nomtshado.
Xa umdala, you get away, yeah?
Akho mtshado lapha. Useza. Hopefully. But when ndithethayo is that I think it's best that nikhuphe zonke ezimbili namhlanje so that you can have a clear path tomorrow. Yabo. Uthini wena?
Hey, big party na.
Okay, ngiyandazi.
Yona won't lie yethu.
Ngiyalo sobona.
I won't lie yethu. Awukwazi like umosha umtshado wami.
Yaqale.
Okay.
Sawubona. Nathi incwadi kodwa ezawuthetha. Eyabangcwele mayibicaleni.
Sele uzochatisa yona. In.
Okay, uthini kanene la? Say freestyle. Okay, nansi ingaba inkosi yamaNdebele iyamthabatha uYolanda Pane emenzi umlingani wakhe ukude kube nganaphakade osimakade angabe sisikade lo mfana. I don't know.
And the value question yakhe.
Bethuna.
Okay, phinde uqhubeka.
Okay. It is a breed. We gather here in this holy matrimony of Inkosi yamaNdebele and Yolanda Pane. We'll start with Inkosi yamaNdebele. Can you please say your house?
Tell me you got to because vale mfethu acela.
Man suhamba kaloku ke.
Yeah?
Suhamba.
Nah, must nomthatha from me.
Ngoba
Ngiyothatha lo mntana.
hayi.
Hayibo 2 minutes funa inohla man banda acela mfethu.
Hamba ke.
Yazi uyakhalaza mfethu.
Amiga zonke ngingela zonke.
Hi Yo, buddy, Joseph.
Get behind the phandle.
How are you? I chose a song for you.
Impilo engoma.
Okay, uneviki.
Anjazi but intoni lena kufiwe. Wena ubungomele phandle kaloku.
Mjolo phandle.
Yona liphepha la ntoni?
Kwenza ntoni na? Ndijonga phi ke wona?
I was having a good time. I was having a good ass time. Happy birthday!
Weke lo thombe yakho ngqolisaya.
How are you?
I'm good, Choma. How was it?
How was the day?
It was boring.
Come on, bit.
No, absolutely not. Andibulisanga nabantu. Bakhona abantu?
Khabulisa.
Ujonga. Cause nina ngithanda ujonga apha. And then niyazibuka kujonga pha molweni bethunana nizayini engqondo ngisenda phansi
21.
molweni guys
Man. Iyasibora le.
Namhlanje i-birthday yam i-birthday ebhorayo ngibizelwe i-stream for i-birthday yam. I should be somewhere else celebrating my birthday but I'm here.
Okay, if
streaming
if we didn't for Kuba, like let's go for the Tukishire like reserved on buzo.
Ndika kodwa wena.
Yabuza.
Ayisokani buzibuze bani.
Yazi ezi vibes zinika i-vibes oba.
No, ndibuza serious.
Sikubuza ngicela ngibuze
Ezi vibes zinika ba ngasenisuka ukondlala phansi nobayithu.
Naza sondlala phansi. But ubuzovuma ne?
Ukondlala phansi.
Sorry mfethu manish. But next
Come on,
time, because next time.
I'm telling you there next year.
And we're going to next year.
Because I'm
Dubai.
Wow.
The Mbuzi.
Ah!
The Mbuzi, Yolanda, passport have you ready?
Passport don't.
What in, man?
My passport.
I do have a passport. Don't drive me crazy. Deny passport. Deny passport.
Tell Yolanda, my passport. Because.
Don't tell you like typing in a passport.
Give me passport.
I mean,
Dinadiphetang.
ankakuba baba kwaphuma outside the country.
Next time so come
But
outside the
let me
country
see
3
what I-
times. I went to Sweden. I went to India twice.
Asithe trips esikoleni neqaba. Sizibala.
What do you mean? Skolo, I was chosen. No, the thing is I auditioned.
I mean, why happy?
Yes.
Why happy?
Sweden.
Ah, that's all I'm saying.
Wakwanbuza.
Wakwanbuza
na. 2011 or 2012. 2011.
Trips esikoleni nezicawe eziphaphelayo kakhulu.
So, what auditional no ucula ujaga?
Angicula.
Sure.
Uyona yaba uyidance.
Uyintoni yena?
Kasinika uthi before we
thank
proceed,
you.
man.
Ngiyazelekini.
Yeah.
Wayizosho ngento ejonga kuyo.
Andizojonga man. Funa ujonga yalfi.
Wayini. Wongade ngisiphakamile ngokwami.
Ingaba imali yami le.
Hayibo mfana lokho ngiyakho.
No, just asking. Kwenza uthi di man. Singathi ngemali zami ezikuwe.
Okay, guys. Outfit of the day. Get ready with me to see. Abanabaya. Okay. I'm wearing obviously Populous. And then I'm just cropped off. You know?
Double.
No.
Oh, no, this game.
Top.
Nice.
The crop top and Adidas.
Twins.
Uthula mbana. Ngasuthi ubale.
Enjengo longbani.
Hayibo.
Enhle ngalomba.
Lamine waterfront yon.
Ah, sinifaka.
Ufuna
Kona
ukuthatha.
Ubona nje.
Zawuthathe le bike lami.
Hayi.
Athi le bike.
Sanoxoka.
Oh, into yakuthelani ikofu khani yaziyo.
Oqo wayichitha.
Yeah.
Sangeniselo isela kofu. Isangikhathazela le kofu because onke ikofu oqobo kwakho wanhaga ecithakala. Oqobo kwakho wathi hayi so.
Angakwenzela ikofu ngoku uyabona.
Ndifuna.
The love was blooming Lamine than excited born.
Oh, actually, the chat said I should ask you guys some questions while you were gone, so
Really?
I compiled some questions
Also,
in my head.
was that one of the questions?
Yeah.
The bus. It's
Ah.
fine, Khala.
Can't hlale apha. Today, I started hlala.
SGAQ Lilitha has gifted
Why
one
laugh?
to viewers.
Why?
Embrand yamehlo wami. Sibe phela simthole phathela zona. Abuthi uziphatha nje.
Kapuli, your friends, my friends.
Zininzi bani weyontsabisa ngazo namhlanje.
Sicela abantu baphulaphule mos.
So, uhlele ngapha nyama. Iyaphandla le.
Oh. Yangisokolisa. Hang
So-
ngishibala banemehlo amancane.
First question I had was, how did you guys first meet? Ozivayo athethe.
Uyemsenza abantwana.
Exactly.
No, you check. Mamela, no. Hayi, tell chat manje questions this bhala phansi. So ndibuzela abantu. Yeah, Nancy. Yabo.
Sadibana emaphupheni.
Ah man, can't be serious ngoba man.
Sadibana emaphupheni, sadibana. Oh, I know. We were interviewing him.
So that was your first time.
Yes.
Oh, and
That was
then
my first time.
So, ngingana. Thethi nyani.
bumazi before kanye mungamazi.
Been nice on social media.
What did you think of him before and after you met him?
That guy, Dujai. Like, honestly, I didn't think anything of him apart from Nanglom Fan Dujai. Was surprised.
Now ndiyenza go.
Was surprised, don't right?
Awona
Eh.
ngicela dibana nawe nyana.
Well, actually, was okay, Lewin.
La phakami yo wenza uJosi.
Akazusela fusion yolanda.
So zenzeleka.
Leyazi kaloku
Hey, pho.
ubuthe ekayolanda qha.
So zenzeleka big.
Also what happened is that ba cookie refreshments but esikayolanda qha.
Asoza ndipuzule, soza ndingeke.
Copyright mhlambi.
Kamxelele.
Like, what is this?
Yo, so I asked you
Yeah, shout out to you for coming. Zekashaya man namhlanje.
chat ibuze questions, respect the chat.
Okay, yeah, no, but dependile, guys, and it dependile. Uba saqala udibana Populous Chats. I was interviewing him. He was very shy. Zange iphume interview because of technical issues. But zange iphume. That's the first time that we met. Yeah.
Over to you, Mr. Nchakaza.
I can't need to tell
Over to you, sir. How did you first meet? How did you feel before and after you met her?
I feel this get up.
Okay, no, like it can be platonic. It can be platonic. It's just up to you guys. But Tatanjan.
Yolanda, on that man's by Sheraton. Etanuringa kakhulu yangcola u-actor ivideo ku-TikTok zaba 2K.
Sure.
So yeah, ndadibana naye phana ngona ya okay watch. And
Okay.
yeah.
Has anything changed from that first time you guys met up until now?
Yeah, saphinde sadibana Populous ngoyise Freedomberg. So saqala kwigiga Camza yabo. Then uCamza wayedlala igig sashiyeka soyi-2 emotweni. Okay, this is my chance.
Oh. Yo.
Kaloku uCamza udlala i-hour mos. So i-hour ndlela emotweni.
I-happy hour ku. Hayi.
Nje sancokola.
Ah man. Passa pa lepir.
Ke nishaya namhlanje.
So kon mune hour.
Yeah, sabe ne-hour man pha bona hlele emotweni. And also drive to Freedomberg. It's like an
Hayi
hour
la
and a
mingi
half.
sase ilmos na.
I don't know, dog.
Yeah.
Sase 18 kuze nani pike. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ndahlala naye pha bona.
Mm.
Then ke ndabuza intombazana ungubani wena man? Thindo ya. Angixela lapho ngiyolanda manje.
Buti.
Single. Hayi boy,
Yeah.
ngibuzanga lo.
Bona.
Okay, like. Don't
Okay, what do you make?
I know we were having personal conversations, but
Kodwa niqala uhlangana nabantu.
ungenaphi?
Personal.
Not that deep, like indaba deep, but indaba engingafuna usidiscussa like during the people.
I mean,
Hayibo.
asna secret mosap. In
Ah.
this room.
Ah.
Okay. So would you say that's true or not? What he said? I'm gonna take as it
The
like
single
it's true.
part where I said I was single, and yeah,
What's single like crash?
I was.
Oh,
I've
what's
been
single?
single,
For how
yes.
long?
Paulo.
But you know that I've been single for 2 years.
Ah man, didn't you have? Okay, yeah, I must say this is not about this. Thing.
No, it had.
Hey.
Didn't you have an entanglement?
No.
Okanye, what the saklam clonet vet?
Yes.
Shit.
Was it about the dread?
Yeah, I find
Yes.
shit there. Find
That's
shit.
girlfriend.
What?
Hmm.
My girlfriend. Yo.
2 years, God, that's a reach.
I mean,
People must stop
disclaimer,
capping.
madam. No, I'm not.
People must just stop capping.
Like, okay, Indonesia is my god. I'm not going to buy two mna.
What the
And
fuck?
don't know-
Get up, people. Come.
Janixelela. Sifuna ucela ngoniyazi lo. Andinaxesha enqathi wena uba 2. Ndine 2 years wena sonjika. Ndine 2 years.
Hayi bo, ngithule.
Oh. 2 years. 2
years.
years guys, this single.
Sure.
2 years. Andiyazi ngoku.
So-
But ke
How's
Even now,
the-
ndithi andiyazi ngoku.
Why ungazuyazi?
Hayibo, andiyazi ngokwenzeka ntoni ngoku ebomini bam.
Njani?
But
Yema.
Wephu.
Let's not rush into
Guys.
that. Let's not rush it. How has it been? You've been single for 2 years.
it's been great. It's
Yeah.
been peaceful.
Mm.
Ndimntu okhawuleza udikwa kwam yabo.
Mm.
So it's a good thing because akekho umuntu ozobe
Ulapha nje nawe.
right ubomi bam obu.
But why udikwa ngumuntu othethayo kona nawe?
No, andithi ndikwa umuntu othethayo, ndikwa ngumuntu ozobe nqinile ngelove.
Now uyaxina.
Okokoko
Uyazilapha wena
semathandweni.
abantu uyaqina.
Come
Ngelove.
on.
Uyaqina ngelove.
Exactly as love lonto.
Okay, balisa ufuna umuntu oqinayo, what else?
Andifuna umuntu onqinayo. So it's a good thing that I've been single for 2 years.
Now ke ngosikle part.
Leqe 3 years ngoku.
Yeah?
You just said walk.
Kuze ngalo one.
Ima, you just said
Kuze ngizansi.
Bapola po.
Ingathi so izigqiba lesi stream.
Uxatyane.
Saxabana salo.
I'm just saying because industry guys just contradict. But they were singing for 2 years
Yes.
and currently what?
Ndithanda zazi ngoku.
Why ungazazi?
Hayi boy ndingxaki yakho.
No, nabuza nyani. Why utawuzazi?
But kuthe kumi ngathi khona nje letshintshileyo from being single at 2 years.
That's why ndisitsho ndisandizazi kaloku ngoku. Andiyaba kwenza
What
ngoku
changed?
ngoku.
What changed?
So i-caption live bayibhale now. Title yayo.
Nanza. I think lasabi ithi ba maqabule. Qabulo apha phakathi wayo. Kuba
Okay.
what changed kaloku ngo?
Hayi boy ntoni?
So uyavuya ngala caption.
Andiyazi.
Kubani ubhatalele ezininzi zindlu?
Andiyazi.
Hey.
Khasi jonge
Ubandeze mpini.
khasi jonge bank transactions zakho ngoku.
Hayi. Ufuna ubona imali yo.
Ungenaphi?
Why ufuna ubona imali?
Ungenaphi?
Zakho ba.
Yo, hey, hayi film. Hey ngathi ngiyopheleka.
Jonga ePlatonic.
And andithandi ngoku. Okay, guys, these people.
Shout out to
WFTX.
Yeah.
IAMGIFTX. Just subscribe.
up.
Yeah, twerk.
Hayi.
Litsho yinto for ibuku jonga
Tsanendo.
chat litsho. Eleke kusapha uthwekile.
Nawe ivumela nto.
So ndivumela kusemizuzu yenu ndisesiyolanda pani she can't do that.
Ndicela siphinde sifunde la definition ka Platonic, ne?
Ethe namhlanje thenda se iora yami izohla mani le love yenze kabi.
Would you like something to drink?
What do you guys have?
Cranberry
And
juice.
wasela amanzi etep. Yes.
Akho humble.
Hayi andiko humble ke. Hayi andiko humble. Andiwasela amanzi etep kwasekhaya. Hayi andiko humble. I-humbleness aliyazi noma yintoni. Andiko humble shem.
SGAQ Lilith has gifted 1 sub to viewers.
Man tweke guys.
Ay.
Ingazithweka.
Man. Selulathi ufuna uthweke.
Jabuli uselo ofuna theke uyolana. The next subject wena.
Okay, on a serious note ngoyabo. Can't kwazi uchizolo. Ba happy birthday yabo.
What you did? Izolo namhlanje.
Bingekho genuine.
Okay.
So ngifuna ukuba genuine.
Oh, finally laugh because what is this?
Allah nje.
What are you doing?
Abafuna ukuthi happy birthday qama ngibona.
Okay, thank
How
you.
has it been?
But you're asking me this question again.
Yeah.
I was even it.
Tibuza serious man.
Like I was even it.
Tibuza serious.
Look, how has what's been?
birthday.
Boring.
And bukhalaza kwathemba
Mm.
iyabhora.
Yeah, boring. Sapora no.
So iyabhora le ndikubizile yona ba uhlale nami. That's what you saying.
Hey,
Aba ni imaginary friend nanibonakala.
why?
Ungaphila.
It's okay.
But yeah man, happy birthday. That's what I wanted to say.
Just really feel like that.
Tell bele wena cause la ngone pijama. Do you like my drip?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Ndinomona. Cela sifonele umuntu wami ndo.
Yeah. But iplayer.
Abuya pay 500 la wena.
Uyithenga nini?
Nah man.
Oh, yokwabantu. Wa. Bantu nikhona ndinilibele. Uphumela nomana.
Abe karel drink chill bro, like chill.
Yone anifuni into ehlwahlazayo mna.
Usela ntoni? Wena ethanda
Fun juice. Bring tap water. No, absolutely not.
akawaseli.
Exactly. And in the children nje kuba. Wena like why you tense?
Andikhona namhlanje. I-outfit yami abanqo.
Incoming.
To be honest, yabo,
I literally said
let
you
me
look
just
good.
tell the truth, ngoyabo. Ndishayi.
Why?
First and foremost, one, it's a pleasure to be visited by Yolanda Pan. One,
Go stream sakho.
stream. That's huge. So ndishayi, at the same time, the flabbergasted, at the same time, the happy. So mixed emotions. Yabo. That's how I'm feeling right now. I don't know by Ndoro's a little bit calm. Perhaps you should tell me. Abucaba siselti. Hey.
Salamanzi.
Hey. Uyolanda thina lo.
Balekile.
But nami ndiyifuna
Balekile,
phezulu
no.
ngoma ngakho man. Kangalela.
Try volume.
Babini.
Awuviwa awuthetha.
Track.
Bunga Boomedina just subscribed.
Track wena ba track. Shit. Abe nikhumbula abantu nami ndiqhubele nini?
Sunday. Ngqobele Sunday kanye Monday.
Sunday for lovers yayazi.
Ngqobele Sunday.
Ngapha nibona nini wafeza. Uyalala after stream onye?
Hayibo.
Yabo.
I know. Hey, ingathi ulima bakho abantu abasibukeleyo apha.
Sibabuza mana, sibahoya abantu. Ithini we after stream?
Okhisa abathini ukaba sibadala kangaka zindoyenza.
Asibadala
Hayi
but
bo.
ithini we after stream I feel like
Nani la?
masithethe ngo.
Nani la?
Bo.
Bayanhleba.
Cheers sis.
Bayanhleba.
Yona uthanda uhleba man.
Ngiyahleba.
Yabo xa ngihlelo yolana ngihlebi. Ngishona nimehlweni.
Emza_Ace has gifted a sub to Silly_iCypher.
Believe I was sitting down.
7 years of best.
I saw me.
Emza_Ace has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Shout out to the gifts, man. Shy man yabo. Fole lonzoyenza because ohlisi ora yami.
Indon le.
Banzoyenza anyway.
Sokwenza lo?
Ish.
La way. The thing.
Indon le.
Okay, let me go set it up.
Ima. Ima. Mamela ne.
No, but
Ora
we
yami.
had this conversation.
Eh,
Leyo zoyithetha ngokuba izilo zahlisi ora yakhe. I can't get his ora yakhe. Le ora yakhe like lo mfana une ora imaginary. Like everything. Like akafuni ukwenza izinto because zohlisi ora yami le. Zohlisi ora yami. Akhona uzohlisa ora yakho apha. Khona uzohlisa une ora naturally
Ima
so.
why unqola? Unqolelani?
Okay, akhona uzohlisa ora yakho.
Izohlisi ora yami.
No,
Isindu,
anything that you do,
asivumi.
uyayinyusa ora yakho.
Okay, kufuneke uclose your eyes for this one. Now.
Bazondenzani?
Now. It's now or never.
Bazondenzani? Andiyabili. Ah, guys, ningani-prank. I don't have a prank.
Asizokupranka man. Uyone uzoyidiscipline bona.
Bazondenzani?
Eh?
Bazondenzani?
Tela mali.
Yo, that is not funny.
Sulafa man.
That is not funny. Ndakujula ngawo.
So what? Ama orange nama pink. But you have to close your eyes nyan for real.
I'm not gonna do that.
You romance lendenza. I want romantic ngochinjini.
I'm not gonna do that.
Abo you have to.
Okay. Should I close them now?
I lucky wavale for real, bro.
Should I close them now?
So far yone ngalo. Yone.
Yoban,
Eh?
why are you so excited?
Yeah, my boy, surprise.
Surprise! Oh, okay. I love surprises. Ingabi ngama-abi.
Track.
Siyabayamkeo has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Why hate them happy no? But you look nice. man.
Ama-apile ma-abi.
Yeah.
Ma-abi ama-apile.
And the twins. Uyana ka approve bo uyana ufuna bezenze ixesha la uyona nemncane.
Talk to me. Olo qhamazela. Themade qhamazela namhlanje.
No, ingxaki ndenze igama.
Yala.
Awusileki kamka. Amanzi. Inhlobo sileke
So
ngalo.
guys,
I'm trying to think bazayenza njani we.
Yeah,
I think
ngisezophumela.
makasnike 5 minutes.
Ndithini?
Makasnike 5 minutes.
Yep.
Abe entertaining chat.
Mfuna okay
Then I entertain chat, then siphinde sibuye avale ngeblindfold. Then when ube lapha, then nandize nazo izinto.
Yo,
Izinto.
Sindoni ezi? Hayi le nto yikisa.
Ingakhona i-concussion esezileyo ngizwa ngolibhedi.
Yone.
If it's alcohol, you guys know it. I don't drink alcohol. You guys know that.
That's not alcohol, man. You know jail.
Okay, guys. I'm getting anxious. Look.
Alright.
Ngiyakhala. Orange.
Alright, just.
Nats Anonymous has gifted.
An anonymous
17.
viewer has gifted
Yeah.
1 subs to
Ah,
viewer.
Ngenza lonto. Sithanda sami.
Phindibele nga. Yandiphazamisa emsebenzini.
Okay, sinikele 5 minutes man siyabuya yabo. Happy birthday.
Dlala.
Okay.
Sithiya.
Ndim ngoko kwisithi. So ndim ngoko zo.
Siyafanelana xa sijongile ba.
Andiyazi.
Ndifuna sijonge ba siyafanelana. Nanzi camera.
Katie_InQfunga has gifted a sub to Massic Soul 10.
Cela screenshot then nithi ndiyazi happy couple.
Katie_InQfunga has
Sila,
gifted 1
laugh
sub
ba
to
ufuna
viewer.
kude nami.
Ay. Asontshintshe laugh yam man.
Are you ready? Say yeah.
No, you guys are making me anxious. Okay, guys, andiyazi ba into le ndizayiphathelwa ngabo bafana ne, but they are making me anxious. Yabo. Cimele.
Mera. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Deola. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Unagapi.
What? Guys, stop it! What? This is crazy! No, don't do that. Is that your mom?
Big data.
Guys, oh my God! Look at you! Who taught you this?
DM.
England.
DM.
Ishushu la kaka.
Oh, guys! I did not
An anonymous
expect
viewer
this.
has gifted
This
1 sub
is
to
so
viewer.
cute. Guys, look! Guys,
First of all,
Happy it even has my name.
sit down.
Happy birthday, Yolanda.
Hlala phansi alo.
Happy birthday, man.
The views
Guys,
you mean everything.
Cela ufunde note nenibhalele apha.
Andizokhala.
Ube emotional xa ufunda.
Andifuni ku-20.
Ewe kuthiwa ndaflahla izinto.
Send you next week cake, man.
Sithanda sami.
There's a tara there, man. Get the tara up really big. This one.
Yeah! Cookies believer!
Incwadi yodala.
Guys, cookies believer in here. Okay, am I reading it like for everyone?
Nawungayibeka phaa lo.
Then I phone.
Shout out to Azibongwe.
Izawa.
Nandi
Anna
tubeke
Bonde
cake.
just subscribed.
Beke phaa kuza class. Ngenthatha class ndibeke apha.
Okay.
Sadly, sad. Much.
This is crazy.
Khawufunde kuba exam.
Don't forget.
Aziwe izami.
Wawuhleki noma into ebhale apha iyahlekisa.
Nah! Ingxaki yandiqhelanga le. Hey, imimangalise le nzokanga. Abule.
Seyisinto khona, brother. Kanti ke ilove. Noma ndirhalike mistake cause yebo. Oh.
I'm a proud father.
To be honest, behind this, umoshingo said.
But it changed seats.
Hmm?
But we must change seats.
Yeah, zanga.
Okay. Ndiye apha kanye ngizoza ngapha. Ngithini? Bendihlala apha guys kanye
We
ngithini?
band together for the night, man. Walk.
Okay.
We belong together.
Oh, why do I have anxiety to open this? Hey,
Nah, dude. We enjoy romantic.
happy, okay. Oh, okay. It's a happy birthday. Wishing you a day as beautiful and amazing as you are. Oh, filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. My Camela, may this year bring you joy, success, and all the things that make your heart happy. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you.
You want to jet in the jet letter AI.
No fucking way.
Yeah, AI, Jana, you believe it now?
Wait, I can't stop laughing.
AI, you believe it?
I can't stop. I can't. Oh
And you
my
will,
god.
AI, man.
Haribo, it's the last part for me. Yeah.
The team is the last part.
Actually, I think I'm in love with you.
No fool.
No fool. No fool. Zalim.
No, I'm not.
Zalim.
I shut up. Leave me alone. I put
Can't improve.
No,
Zayqina ne.
of course. Oh, there was going like my money. Keep.
No, like
I
that.
believe in this guy.
Exactly.
Yes, I
I'm like,
understand.
yeah, damn, shut up, my nigga.
Yeah, guys, I'm still in shock. But
Yeah, there's some other things that you might like. I don't know. Yeah, but
I don't know. Do you guys want to see everything that's in
Oh,
here?
see, there's no this in your head. Give my own
Is it?
Makahlale
Oh,
apha futhi hlala apha. Hlala apha. But we have to stand first, yabo. Hlala apha kwangoku.
Let's open everything. Just chill, bro. Yeah. Already serious, man.
valile ta.
These are the moments that we live for.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are the moments as friends that we cherish forever. These are the moments that define. What happens today will define what happens tomorrow.
Okay.
You may,
Okay,
stand up.
While my eyes are closed.
Your eyes are closed, but still closed. Eh?
Okay.
Give me your arm, your left arm.
I knew it.
Oh no, give me your left arm.
I knew it. I knew it.
So we're gonna do a countdown. Don't open your eyes. We're gonna do a countdown. We're gonna push. Yeah. Okay, sorry, chat. Gonna do a countdown before.
Mhlala phansi.
Yeah, mhlala phansi. Bhekela kancinci. No, bhekela kancinci ne. Then sewuphakame.
Phakathi.
Yeah, phakame. Bhekela kancinci.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and then so come this way. Yeah, yizab so. And then yima bhekela kancinci.
No, stop doing that.
It's lucky. I've never bonakale pha okanye just okay. Just open your eyes, bruh.
What? Trying to be is crazy. No. I'm not wearing this. What's that doing now? So this is not funny. This is not funny.
I'm joking.
No.
We're not coming fight to go back.
No, man, stop it. What is this? You guys are crazy. No.
Sakrolela.
Try to be in.
Now they're going to take a
Mom to be.
That one was gonna be crazy, yeah. Benzo.
Okay, I've got to see cake now. Let me go get a knife.
Yeah,
Ay. Guys, nonke ababukele ngicela uzosika.
Uthini?
Zalala kamnandi namhlanje.
Uthini?
Ay, Fondon.
Nah. Cut the cake.
Yam nawe le spread zithi. Yam nawe.
Yona ubona makathi.
Call me.
Yabona makathi.
Ajana ufuna ndola.
Elizangazi sitya senja.
Elingaka ibhozo.
Ah man, so busy way. Wa! WSUP.
Sir Austin Dials has gifted 1 sub to viewers.
Nah, just say kanje.
Okay. Yeah, okay guys. Tisika igeg. Oh.
Ya ixesha lam loshana lokweli guys. Sibanjani loshana mkhathi yami. Yotitisa ngoku.
Kuthiwa ngiwish kalo before baba wisha ndoni.
I already made it. Ngaphakathi.
Shout out to M the Ase.
Emsa
Okay, tell her when's
underscore
the
H
wish.
just subscribe.
One inside and one outside.
Okay.
Niyazi bani uzokhipisa one as a couple.
Hayi,
Ewe.
kesotyisana.
No. Yebo necaptela lonto leyo.
Why tell us ndiyazazi we kodwa ngikwazi.
Yes, don't
I
necaptela.
don't know you, bro.
I don't know you, bro.
Ngiyondibele amacephe ke. Wa! Nansi ngigifted sub.
Yulin underscore knee has gifted a sub to Melantlin Lovu.
Shout out to the sub. Go nansi ngisub ngoyolana.
Yulin underscore knee has gifted 1
Nansi
sub to
nifuna ifollow
viewers.
kanye ispoons.
Spoon my dog.
Funa ndoni wena Yolanda bani? Fork.
Ama watyiwa ngespoon leyo ngatyiwa sam.
Exactly. Yabona mna ndiyenze izigezelo.
No fete sikayo apha na.
Hoyibo.
So why usika yonke le wena?
Kaloku kufuneka nisike yonke.
Enza into ofuna uyenza.
Ketyamle.
Yekuyolanda enza into ofuna uyenza man. Yoni.
Hayi.
Yoni
Ube lapha.
Yoni.
Abuse leaf.
Baby ndayiqhekeza le.
Hayibo.
Oh. Hey. Hello kam. Liyadura. Kugcwele man apha zinotes ngapha zindoni. But yabo abi bendin love ngoba ndibhale wena. From Zakhe. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day as beautiful and amazing as you
So
are.
uqomphina ifoni.
Filled with love, laughter and unforgettable moments.
Ngicela iphi
Manje ndixoza le lady ibhalwe ngumuntu ebengamazi Peyton engimenshana.
I think I'm in love with you. Qona ngco.
so ufuna zibona zingakanani zikulu zonke.
Cause cake. Funa yakho.
PG.
Really?
PG.
Usilibelanga. Usilibelanga sithi usilibela. Umwile. Hey, because man meeting after as trip nazizi. Bae, ufakuthi. Hey.
Ah, das bambi izinto mfukeni.
Faka. Ungakulinga usilahle faka.
Singafanele sibe romantic kancane.
But ke asilahle.
Sibuyele esintwini.
Happy birthday sithini. Sibabi esuntwini.
Ulala phansi.
Ngathi libele.
Ngine kubethe 12.
Ngathi libele.
Belini birthday.
I think it's
Okay.
Ayihleke isinyani yona ebona. Oh yona. Oh. Oh lafiyethu. Ndiyazi yona bathanda uhleka man. But romantic na? Ah ndinzima.
noma nguyona.
Angenzi ne speech kungangxami.
Noma nguyona okufundisileyo.
Khona speeches la endisicindileyo for you. Machamela
Hayi ngizakuhleka kaloku.
nokwindla machopho. Where to from now? Okay. Where do you see us in the next 5 years?
Andisiboni.
Huh?
Ndisiboni ngosibona.
Abe serious.
Is serious?
This is serious.
Hayi
Ubukela abantwana bethu this stream so supposed.
ngabantwana bethu. Oh, when on abantwana. Okay.
So where do you see us in the next 5 years? Bon.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, man?
Why ngihamle angisikho individual ngoku. I'm a unit. I'm a unit.
Yo, ndidikiwe guys, ndidikiwe. Ngicela lapho uya khobe serious for once. Don't ask me such questions.
Azina ndibona phi?
Usibona ngisho mama.
Bona ke altar.
Ki altar.
Ndona out.
Ki altar.
Nole.
Out. Asesisiya pha isochata.
Uthiwa you make the bride.
Oh.
Mm.
uYolanda akafuna utshata akafuna
Akafuna
abantwana
abantwana. Akafuna ujola. Ufuna ntoni ebomini mfethu?
akafuna ujola man.
Phela sibafuna njalo.
Also ungajola naye but awunomtshata.
Yeah, ikeke. Simphendula. Singamphenduli. Ngakilona nondaba.
Uyabo i-podcast
Panas. Yes.
podcast
Woman everywhere. We popular chats.
popular chat
Ngeke sayikhona ikya.
Stothiwe bro. Ngiyadlala.
Ibekho. Ngathi ngingaphangeli west.
Zimnandi okay cheers
Bani khethu la.
yada wazi birthday for real okay ngibona
Thank you so much for everything. So sithatha kahle.
Hayibo
Sithula
mna.
kahle.
Ngiyathengi naku.
sokuthila kahle
Ngosisho mama.
Sizothetha kahle.
Yo ayidhiwe kulomfana. Yo ikathi lide ixesha. Ubetha lini u12? Sangu5:11.
Another question is that ba ndigoduka kanye
Kanye ntoni?
athi sizogoduka. Because you and I live in the same area.
Sizogoduka. So wala sizogoduka Jomi. Aphela sisrim.
why une agreement noyona
Khabe uyona umvisa kamnandi.
no
No ya.
awukwazi une agreement nabanye amadoda
Oh ayisika ucupha kupapa wena.
sesintwini
Hayi.
wakwajola izinto
Yo shut up.
kwawushada apha basetyenziswa
Sisinto besithe nani na esina. Nani
Okay.
niyabonisa ngesinto. Sisinto besithe es.
Okay, before
Aba anikwazi ukuphefumula.
I see where this is going.
Uba sesinto or
Mamel, I see where this is going, na? And I'm very happy where it's going at.
iphani
before-
uzizi ke kunyanisile
But
zizi.
before iqhubeke, can you please
So that's gay.
switch phones?
Izane
ngabe singaswitch ifone nje
izanelanduka.
Can you please switch phones?
Safoni yakho.
but childish bro le
I'm gonna
It's very
switch the names,
childish.
most. Yeah,
thina samsayazi loba kusiyami sesishoot ah
so hapa ndimozosearcha mos.
Hayi, go wayesetha wena.
Ndimozosearcha yima kaloka
nginapho wena
Yabona ka. Yabona ka.
Hayi.
Last time it was not like that, ne? Nigga. Did WhatsApp nigga?
ay man yona
Hayi WhatsApp hayi.
Well, get up.
Yona,
What one go WhatsApp?
Nigga. Get up WhatsApp nigga. Get up WhatsApp nigga.
Yala.
Then angena WhatsApp nigga. Z3 look niggas is sechile.
Such a good. I love you.
Yeah.
I miss you.
No.
Can you come over? Like it's so childish.
Yeah,
I childish.
unangablomva
Whoa. I'm gonna eat it. But it's childish.
unangabodinga
those couples back.
ulimazuthela le keki ne
yeah in
Yeah,
fact yes
yes, unethatha yonke.
iba ndiyayicinga umze efrigini
it's too platonic up so izo
yo
Okay. So anifuna swap phone.
childish lo we man unondo
Zizi, do you feel like bayathembana pa bana?
I don't think so.
Where do you think it's gonna go? 1 year, 6 months?
1 year done.
Oh, zizi. Auntie, 1 year
Tata
ndo.
yonke cake but yeah childish man lo yolanda uyithatha ke phone yami am I lying
Hayi zana phatha phone yakho.
oh I'm lying
Yes.
Mimi kalo.
Zana phatha phone yakho.
Kanye ithatha
Because then platonic.
Can be hidden.
hidden
Can be hidden.
so zalo
Yo.
hidden phambi yena lo
Kukhona nombi hidden zakho.
hayibo imessage ze-family yami serious isigadi uba
Like
udabawo
like
nomakazi why bengavani
bayathakathana.
zichithe kwi-hidden
Ah, siwazi.
if zingabona ngumhlaba
Kuseka ntoni?
if zingabona ngumhlaba
Uzothi nomhlaba.
okay amabibi abo wena all of
Udabao nomakazi bathini?
Asemabibi ekhaya.
okay babekho amabibi kowena beziba all of
Udabao.
Yes or no?
Udabao nobani bathini?
yes or no
Udabao nobani bathini?
yima yes or no before we
Indaba
proceed
zokwenza icontact group chat okanye family meeting.
group chat
Hayi,
Si-advance.
Ayisosindo yes.
okay if bezikhona isigaxa wena bezokwaziwa on the internet or where mna ku-hidden wami zii-chats
Proof.
i-proof
Proof.
isintu
Proof.
proof yento yeyona hey ayona what are we doing young boob
Wamatsiri.
okay
Naphaya.
Ububi vele.
Sibuza nyanga.
Because like you were, even abantu ababukela i-podcast say they were actually worried about ububi.
Yeah.
Guys, I went to Bloemfontein to perform thereafter in Pretoria.
But that
You
was
there for 2 weeks?
3.
3. What happened that 3 weeks? Is there any cheating allegations? Or some squabbles that were
Guys, in Donley?
Funa inzuzulisa.
yazulisa nyalo.
Anzulisi.
Hayibo. Umuntu owenza lo nto yakho uyazi.
No, ingxaki yabona le mibuzo nenibuzo yabanda and andithanda ubuzo.
Ayibandi, wenze ntoni?
Ndesenonjani kanti besincokola intoni nawe ngoku benibuya phandle axelela.
Hayi.
Why band? Why band?
Iyabanda.
Okay, why band?
Iyabanda because you can't be asking me, did you cheat? Did I cheat? Like that's so crazy.
Chitile. Why
Cheating.
defensive?
I'm not being defensive.
She's being defensive.
I'm not being defensive.
Yes or no?
No.
Mutheni manje uqale?
Because iyadila le nibuza yona.
She cheated.
That's the first thing that you asked me unfonele ba awunchitheli up. That's
Yes.
so stupid.
I'm cheating now.
Ah,
I was
sorry.
stupid. Cause yabona I was here waiting for you.
Doing what?
Streaming.
But this is streamer nje now.
This is streamer.
Into ungafemi le ungena bed.
Ngachita man like ebihleli nayo.
Uthule wena. Ubuphi wena?
Ubukhona nje.
Ubuphi wena? Wena ubuphi?
Besileli.
Wena ubuphi? Buliphi? Ngenxa yemini eyi-1 ngicela lonto leyo babuleli up ngenxa yemini.
Asisponsor zonke imini xa sileli.
Exactly my point. Ubuphi ngezinye imini because the only mina ndiyaziyo leyo owulapha kai wami leli phezulu so onongicela lonto leyo ba oh hayi. Ngenxa yemini eyi-1.
Yima. Okay, yima. Yima.
Uthi
So when do you feel like ekuse ebekhona umuntu ozenza wena apha?
ngicela
You feel like ebekhona umuntu ozenza wena?
Kaveza bold history yakho. Wenzani be?
Ebethuna kwaDrandon
Biye yakho nje leyo.
Ngithi chat kaveza i-bold history yakho.
Hold on.
Also ijo. Asiziveza bro.
Hayi ndizenza lonto manje.
Yo ayapha.
Hayi andinxaka mna ndangixelela mandini mna. Ubomi babo andingixaba vesi bold history. Bold history betheni.
Ikabule bana.
Khumbula ngicela aphumele umfana.
Chama aphumile. But angixole ngaleyo ba. Ukhona ongafuna uziveza. But uzoziveza. Ngoku ziraise concerns.
Concerns andoni.
Awunokufihla ezinye.
Ndifihla ndoni. Ndifihla i-bold history.
Because mhlawumbe wayaphi.
Kaphinde ngishiye kanye ngihlale.
Wena.
So search pa Google Maps ba ubuphi.
How are you gonna know the places that I want?
Xoleni. Xolo, ngishiye kanye ngihlale.
But it's fine if you're cheap. Satana uchi.
Okay, like on a serious note, what do you guys love about each other and hate about each other?
Man, that's
Hello.
crazy.
What do you love about him and then what do you hate about him?
What color kum?
Usathi English.
Hayi nama ndiyazi English kaloku.
Okay.
I like the fact that she's
So
supportive.
technically ecaleni.
Nah, she's supportive, bon.
Yeah.
Sometimes unike ideas jan guide. Bamani bewonke. Lanto besithatha ngayizolo. And imamele yabo,
Mm.
but sayinike ixesha. So yeah man.
Okay, what do you hate about him?
Ungaklinga ukuthi ndiyangibona. I knew you were going to say that. I knew you were going to say that. I hate you so much.
But yeah, ndiyakuncanywa loyo. Ndiyakuncanywa not uba ndiyakuncanywa.
Asibambe zoqala thina.
Yo, awundifuni da. Like, why would you?
What do you love about Zakhe Nchakaza and what do you hate about Zakhe Nchakaza?
The fact that he's breathing. That's
I
what I
hate
love
the-
about him. The fact that he's breathing, is alive. But no, on a serious note, yeah. I'm too. Okay, I love the fact that he's driven. Yeah, he's driven. He knows what he wants in life. Ula. Ula. Absolutely love that.
Ula.
So attractive.
And the thing, yeah, loyo.
Ingamxolelanga. Yabo naze ngothina ngazi.
Somebody grab
Ingamxolelanga.
you.
Ingamxolelanga.
Because ngandithanda
Why do
kakhulu.
I hate about him?
Be driven more. Whoa.
Aura. Ula too much lendaba ze aura.
Yabo.
Aura this. Aura
Ibe
that.
ngacingi ora ngeke driven mos.
Aura this, aura that.
Yeah,
No,
but
no,
really-
it's too much to a point where it overshadows zonke izinto zenzayo cause ucinga aura. Angikwazi kwenza lento because aura yami ayivuma
Okay,
nezinto.
zindoni.
Absolute shit.
Zindoni wena funa zenze.
Yeah,
This guy.
Zalungi is sub goals.
No, andizocela zindoni.
Hmm?
Andizocela zindoni. But anithandi lento yakho nawe uyayazi. Anithandi lento yakho le aura imaginary aura yakho.
So
You already have an aura. You don't have to
that
like,
one Kalela ke wena.
okay, now I'm telling you.
Okay, in your mind. Ideal goals funa benjani? Ungathini ngeora ngithini? So that this will work towards.
Yeah, you're saying aura. Alright, when there's nothing wrong about you. And the life we pilayo is also imaginary, the other one that we spoke about. So like there's nothing wrong about you. Nothing nje kalendaba yakho aura. Aura. Isinto sinivumeli. Akho lonto apha abazali bephilile nabe kuyo is because they did things for each other.
Yazi ke uF wamqhatha kanje adaba makatyela abi.
That's true.
Abasho.
That's true actually. No man we aura bon. Aura everywhere I go.
You have aura.
Kanvu even if lala phansi aura, kanvuka aura,
Nazi into zangazi.
andifonela aura.
This is so childish. I can't.
Yes.
I hate it so
Okay, if it's childish.
So
Let's
when
break
funa
up the
njenjelani.
Okay.
Go.
My pelin
It's over.
it is over. Actually, yeah. Bye guys. Next stream senu. Ale ndoda yenu ingacacanga. It's not like
Khangeke baby. So into engacacanga futhi manje hlisela ior. Ningabona izinto.
Hawaii. Ngicela request.
hayibo into ngokwena benimhaka. Otherwise I can't be
Now
saying.
ndiyafuna kodwa.
Ufuna ndo?
Hayi wena. Asebahle!
Mama kanje.
Nami ndifuna
Mama
ihamba.
kanje. Hayi kodwa happy right mani yona lo.
Aww.
Yoni lo. Athi masiziyeke senishake. Unenza childish wena. Unenza childish le. Yoni is making me childish and
Yeah, I feel like that was a cute nami ndiyachanga. Ngiyakhulula le chibet. That was a cute session yabo of ukhupha imbilini. So ngoku I'm going to see if you guys know each other kakhulu.
Yo, we don't know each other.
A question to you. What is Yolanda's favorite color? Yabona ke akho cheat. In fact,
No, benza ngithibala makaxa.
Zohlala
Asizenzo zinto singazefika.
I think andithanda xa nihlelo bathi.
Nanawe simane conversations ezibadleyo. Like you
I'm
know,
corner,
we
yeah.
stimulate each other's minds. There's no time
Yo,
for
ungastimulate
what's your-
le.
we lubricate each other's minds.
Yeah.
Stimulate le, uyeke le.
Yala.
Why you stimulate le stimulate le?
Yo, I know.
Yona zinto.
Kuzohlala ngapha to because ngom influencer kabi mfana. What is Yolanda's favorite color?
I miss you already.
Yabona.
Okay.
Like one, you know.
What's
Okay.
your favorite color at this age?
Exactly.
What is his favorite color?
favorite color at this age?
What is his favorite song?
favorite song at this age?
Kala nyani if you were to propose but
Ahleka. Akala kupambana.
Yolanda Pani intombi yakwagcina umachopo
Nansi Bible.
unokwindla
Ivulele.
ntombazana
You bought a Bible.
Yes.
Wow.
no I want to take yimafeni ngeBhayibheli udlala
Oh, yaphosisa unikwe uSibhayibhile.
Kanti ngizonithulela ivesi noba
Bese
two.
lithe nice khuluma verse ithi.
uwese uyayiqhaqa kodwa ngayiqhaqa kuphela eBhayibheli
Imagine unikwe ngupast.
yini la pastor belapha estrumini yona phela I'm gonna open this ndibe serious
Unikwe asemahle.
Ndole.
so ikhulula le wenza upropose
Propose yantoni na?
awu yona irong
No. Also, when you're, excuse me, when you're proposing to a lady, It's only bride to be when you guys are already engaged. Then it's bride to be.
Une-airtime ube kuthiwa mne-minutes une-minutes okay ndiyapropose ncam yone cela ube witness iyayiqhina wakho ukuba
Yo, andibukele Netflix.
bana uthandazwa ezibe njalo
Ndole.
Yolanda Pani lo ume phambi kwakho kufaku oyifakayo wayikhupha siyacabanga wangapha eMthatha kodwa ke lapha eKapa ngokwakhangela igreener pastures ngeEnglish kwezo greener pastures ke ntombi ndithe ndawuphosa amehlo ndathi ntla
Ngibhadala amanzi engabe ngowetepu.
ngotepa
ongala.
ndathi
Awuke
ntla
ungathenga ngamanzi.
funa ka white speech
Awe ngothenga ngamanzi.
namanzi phelile
Okay, sure.
Ngilindele lapha inzathu ke imake.
But I understand.
yes
I understand.
ndathi ntla ngawe ntombazana
amantombazane engaka ubona mna
Bandiphandle.
ngoba kutheni
ndathi hayi
man
noba ndiyalinga ndaphinde ndaphosa kwabanye avaleka amehlo xa njenga kuwe kwakhaya ndathi uThixo akaphinga sandla mandamkele oku ndikuphiweyo
waqomba ekuthatha wa
ngoko ke ntombi ngalamazwi ndithi ndicela undenze mkhwenya
okay
thina
ufuna ukwenza umkhanyano nguye kaloku
umtshado kaloku ndicela umtshado
oh ukuba ucela phi
kuwe ntombazana uba sizimanye ngeqhina lomtshado
undawoni wona umshado apha kum
yho wena usoze utshate Ngendana soza tshate phofu nayo isolution yakhe xa engafuna utshata
Asawutyisa thina apha kule ndlu phathi. Sawutyisa thina.
uyazi wena ngiyakuthanda
Saphela wena.
phinde xa uyivala ndithi ngamisa andithi
ima ihlole zam they are too strong you wouldn't be able to do that
iyasibhana kodwa wena
ila portion
and also why do people think by way wrong la wena
I mean ekho wrong ubani la nomuntu wakho niyavumelana
because if ndingakudlisa and then you find out ufuna ukukhalaza does that mean uba ubuhleli ufuna undishiya okanye uhappy uba ndidlisile uzostay along
I mean ingxaki yabona ukudliswa une side effects yabo so uzondlisa for example then I'm going to be overly obsessed with
So
you to a point that if
Ngiphathele
you were to do something
ngale situation here.
ngizafuna ukukhaba or ngizafuna ukubulala
Saselela
because it causes
naselwa ngoqala
aggression.
selwa ngoyeqala.
Yabo
Ndibabile.
oh bengaboni
Ndibile.
Yemnandi
Ngomso. Uphinde ubuyela apha kum.
yeah uza explain but akho ngqondo xa over obsessed ndim I mean ndim lo sithatha ngayo
Ingaba
Obsessed
imnandi
with
mamgcina.
hayi ijuice lebe ndisela kasexeleni ngabe mnandi ntoni
Ayifani nale yasekuqala.
iyafana
khonzelisa
Sithe pha kususela sela xa iphaya yafini yona.
kalomfana equally
yes
Ayisela emhlaba.
I agree
Akimnaka ni-advise uba kutheni ngizomthanda angakuyelana.
but exactly that was wrong what was wrong ndenzeni but isilungu nyani how do you feel ngale by English andiyazi do you think mhlawumbe zakuhlala
no the thing is the other thing that I didn't say that I like about you you are smart
Utheni?
you are smart he's smart
Oh.
he's smart like English is not a measure of intelligence
Yes.
whether he knows English also like I feel like
Like
abantu that look like aba
Yena.
baby
Tommy
Tell
yes
me.
English nalo mntu yazi English man
No, like thina nzitho ya i-intelligence linayo English
baby
yeah.
come on uyahate thetha ngam ba the intelligent uyahate wena
Ubekeka.
because wena ucela ukuba ndidomu
ha
ndingasemthatha
Umna?
ndingasemthatha ngiyele sibini
Ndakanathetha lona ngejina.
so kuyabuza pha ungamithela na uba
hayi ndiwokum La.
Uthini uba woke na?
Kuhlala.
Okay, what?
Mithwe indoda. Imagine. Asoze. Indoda ikumithise indoda. Hayi makuyeke.
Okay, what measures are you doing to prevent pregnancy?
I don't prevent.
Huh?
When you prevent, what measures are you doing in order to prevent?
Uthi wena ufuna umitha, mna ndiyafuna umithisa.
When?
So, na
Ufuna
measures.
umithisa nini?
Yeah?
Ufuna umithisa nini?
Anytime.
Ona nebed.
Yolanda,
Ufuna
what measures are you taking to prevent pregnancy?
I abstain.
You're here, you're not telling the truth. Can you speak the truth? What measures are you taking? Because you don't want them, it's fine. What
Guys,
measures?
sebenzani condoms. Iphume into endizayo. But mna andiyenzi ezo zinto mna. Andizenzi nje andizenzi.
So bangavuka kuthiwa umithi ngathini?
Ayenzi kaloku layo umuntu angamithi ngemistake.
Nah, but ngathini now for real.
Bangamitha.
For real. Serious talks now, no.
Uyakwazi umitha.
And also agent
But ungazali.
yasivumela ngoba access time.
It's true, uyasivumela nyani.
So,
But mna andisivumeli. Ngifuna umitha. Ngifuna.
maybe ngomfuna sifale ngakho ziphile.
Yes.
Hi wena. Awukho romantic. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my aims and
My dream. And I hope that someday we share
our
all.
Oh,
I found the love to carry more than just my secrets. To carry love, to carry children of our own.
So